Hey my subbies, I'm here with a review. I actually purchased a new bag for myself and I wanted to share with you guys. So I got the Jetset Travel Large Leather Crossbody bag from Michael Kors. And this bag was $148 with taxes and shipping. It came out to $163.17. So I got this bag in the jumbo size and I got it in black and I love it, you guys. As soon as I saw it, I fell in love with it and I was thinking, should I get it? Should I not get it? Should I wait? So I waited for the sale. I think they have a semi-yearly sale or something like that. So I waited for that and I actually got it at a good price. And I got the biggest size you can get, which is the jumbo. And I got it with silver chain, because you can also get it in gold and in so many colors. Like, this bag is so beautiful. So I got it with the silver. And here I am opening it up. And I love it. I can't say enough about this bag. It has quite a few room inside. If you do get this bag, make sure that you get a slim wallet, because your big wallet won't fit with your sunglasses for sure. So I only carry my wallet in here until I purchased a slimmer wallet. So here I'm just showing you the tags and the amount and then the sign. So when I saw this purse on the website, I really fell in love with it. So I went and I googled it and I researched it and I reviewed it, and this was the one that I wanted. And let me tell you, I had a hard time getting it because it sold out quick. Especially the silver chain sells out super fast. So it took me like a couple months just to even get it. After wanting to get it, after I had wanted to purchase it, it was sold out. So I waited a while for this bag. And let me tell you, it fits like a glove. So make sure when you purchase it that you review. And here I'm showing you the little, it actually has 3 different settings on it. So there's 3 holes on there to make it longer or shorter. You can wear it however you want. I prefer to wear like a crossbody bag because it's easier, especially when you have kids and you have to like throw your bag on and just run with it. So I decided to purchase this one, and I'm going to go ahead and put it on the middle setting, and the middle setting was perfect for me. So here we go. And I'm just adjusting it. There you go. And it went on perfect. And then there's a little spacer right there, which you can add it in, and it fits too. And then here you go. I'm trying to hold the purse down, and I'm actually trying to show it to you just to see, you know, so you can get an idea of how it looks. And the chain is pretty good. It's a decent size. And then I'm going to go ahead and open it. And there you go. I'm going to take off the little thing. In the little, it says Michael Kors. I don't know if you can see it on there, but it's in little letters. It also says Michael Kors. There you go. Okay, so here I am. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take out all the inside for you just so I could empty it out. This is my first time seeing the inside of the bag with you. So there's 2 big pockets on the inside, 1 on each side. So you could put like papers or credit cards, whatever you need to put. This is the pamphlet that it came with. And then the inside, I wish it was just a little bigger, just because you cannot fit in a whole wallet and your sunglasses. You could do either or get a slimmer wallet, which that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and purchase the Michael Kors slim wallet, so that way both accessories could fit in there. But it's gorgeous on the inside. The whole thing says Michael Kors, and it's all in black interior. Look at it. I'm trying to get you a good view, but it was so hard. And then I just removed the tag. And I'm just trying to show you the silver chain, which is very beautiful. I love it in silver. I'm actually very happy with it in silver. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to measure the bag for you, you guys. Just so you know how big it is and how small, wide, and thick it is. So you have a good idea and compare it to one of the bags you have. And it's 9.5 long. And then the width is 6.5. And I'm really happy with the chain because it's not all, the chain is not too much. It's just a little piece of chain and then you get the whole strap, which I'm really happy with, that it's not overwhelming. And I'm really happy with it. And I'm already using this bag, of course. And then I wanted to go ahead and measure the thickness of it, just so you know how much you can actually fit in the bag and how wide. And it was 2.5, no, almost 2. Yeah, like 2.5, I would say. And then I just wanted to show you the chain up close, just so you could see how long it is and how pretty it is. I'm really in love with it. I'm happy with the purchase. It was well worth the money. I'm happy I waited and I researched and reviewed it. And I just wanted to show you. I'm really happy with it. And this is again, the jumbo size. Yeah, the large size with the leather. This is called the Jetset Travel. So here we go, just a quick video, just so you can see it and just have a little review of how the bag looks. It feels great, and I just wanted to show you a real close-up before I finish. And it's a pretty big bag, you guys. All you need is a slimmer wallet, and look at the 2 pockets that I was showing you, and there you go. You can see the inside right there. And it's perfect. And until next time, bye you guys.